Hello, and I am so glad you found this page. I've had so many people reach out to me and say, Tina, can you give us a starting point? Can you give us a little bit of education to get going? I know I want to do some kind of tea time business, but I don't really know where to start. Well, this is that starting point on getting started with a tea time business. And it's really the beginner's guide to start making money from your ideas. I know so many of you are eager to get going, but like I say, just don't know really where to start. So in this program, which I've been developing for quite some time now, um, I've had a tea type business since 2011, started making scones at farmers markets and selling tea. And what I've done here is I've kind of put together a compilation of videos for you to learn how I really did that. And we're starting off with things like, well, I'd really like to understand a little bit about the tea types that are available. So we have a video all about the tea types and the associated health benefits that go along with those tea types. We have another training about the history of afternoon tea, because I think that really grounds us where afternoon tea and tea time came from. And for those two presentations, those two learning packages that you get inside this program, I'm not only giving you the training so you learn, but I'm also giving you the PowerPoint slides that you can use to teach other people. Now, that might be your team if you're building a tea room and that's part of your tea time business, or it could be your team if you're creating tea blends and you need people to understand. In fact, the other day I just had one of my wholesale clients ask me to give them a bit of an understanding of the various tea types and which were caffeinated and which were not. So this is a training that you can then train other people to do and to understand, which will help you sell more. But also you can use the PowerPoint trainings that I'm giving you. You can rebrand them, you can change them around, but you can use that as the core of doing tea time talks, which is another revenue stream that you can use. And I've earned quite a lot doing that over the years, and I'll give you more and unpack more of that inside the program. I'm going to be sharing with you how to take your tea hobby and convert that into a business. We're going to be looking at how I got started, about your story, what motivates you, how you can make a connection, and also how to promote your business and how to start a tea party catering business. So again, you're starting to get revenue in even before you go the whole hog to a tea room, and that might not even be what you want to do, and that's okay. There are many, many ways of adding additional revenue around this whole idea of a tea time business. In fact, one of the lessons is how to add up to 20 additional revenue streams to your business. Now, they might not all work for you, but we're going to share all those ideas, and then you can pick out the ones that you want. So as well as the actual training elements, we've also got some free bonuses that I'm going to include in this. And these are taken from TV appearances that I've done over the years around tea. So we have a Tea 101, which is a very simplistic look at how to describe tea to people. We've also got some blending tips that I've done. We've also done detox tea, which is very popular in January after all the excesses of the holidays. And also one of the products that I've developed called the Tea Plan, I've explained that, and also how you can get your hands on it should you so wish, but also giving you some ideas for ways that you can package some of your teas in your tea time business. So go down and scroll down below and sign up and get this training, because it will help you get started. And as I always say, it's not what you know that counts, it's what you implement. And I'm here to help. So do reach out to me. If there's anything else, anything that you feel I've missed, that's going to probably be rolled into the next training. We've got so much training, there's so much knowledge I want to impart for you. So sign up today and I'll see you on the other side.